Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. Before I begin, just as always, wanted to give you guys a disclaimer that anything on my channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But today, guys, I want to talk and look further into one project I'm a huge fan of, and this project is none other than Solana. Looking at the price of Solana right now, it is currently trading at $14.13. It's up nice, staggering amount, about 11.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also up 8.9% in Ethereum comparative. Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's ranking in the cryptocurrency market rank is at the top 17 spot, and by this time, it's no secret that we have pulled quite significantly as far as the overall ranking goes in the cryptocurrency market. Solana is going through a FUD time, a very hard time, to be quite honest with you guys. And this is where the team's value, the overall hard work is going to show when it comes to the success of this project. The next few months could be very massive for the overall Solana's team. Looking at the market cap right now, it is currently trading at $5.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $823.7 million. But let's waste no more time and get right into the price and see what's happening with the price and what are some targets that we could be looking at for the price of Solana for us to really be looking out for. As you guys can see, this is a daily time frame, and if we do bring up the measuring tool for you guys, Solana did hit an all-time high last year at $259, and since then it has seen a massive retracement of about 95% from all-time highs. And I believe we've seen more of a retracement than we were expecting because of the fact that the entire FTX collapse that happened, which should not be happening, which should be against the law, which is against the law. What am I saying? But there should be more measures set in place for any exchanges that are being listed or using other people's money and storing it. There should be more risk measures or some sort of regulatory body that's watching that. Are these funds really in the reserve as they say, or are they not? Or are these guys going and using hard-earned money of these users and just gambling it away? That's what needs to be in place, and I really hope that there's some sort of light that gets shed on this, because this is extremely serious. Looking at the price of Solana, though, like I said, it has been negatively impacted, especially around here since this massive crash. Obviously, the FTX crash happened, causing the Solana price to really react. But also remember, guys, one thing a lot of people are failing to understand right now is that Solana, sure, it definitely did take a hit. If I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, took a massive hit since that $39 news. You guys can see it has retraced about 66% since then, but more than 66% to be quite honest. But guess what? The entire market reacted to this news. Solana did get definitely held with a little bit more, on the negative side because of the fact that SBF was one of the big investors for Solana early on. But that does not mean anything it has to do with the Solana's team. Solana's blockchain overall ecosystem has, come such a long way. And I believe this is just the absolute start. It is facing, like I said, a massive hurdle in front of them right now. And it's just how they overcome this hurdle and really keep this community together is going to be very massive. And I still do believe Solana is going to recover back to where it was, from before this, massive crash that we have seen happen. Right now, you guys can see we are seeing Solana make a little bit of a bounce towards the upside, but we will definitely take that as far as that is concerned. We were up about 26% from the yearly lows at $11, but this is the major level of support that the resistance that I'm looking at, around $18.19. We need to be above there. We need to see the price of Solana get above there as soon as possible, and that would really be very nice to see, in my personal opinion. Obviously, the price of Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a my apologies, just under the weather, so I hope you guys understand. But you guys can see the price of Bitcoin has been seeing a little bit of a green candle towards the upside, but I still believe that this is a fake out. This is going to be massively manipulated, and I'm not getting excited until we do get above 22k mark, as you guys already know. Most importantly, get at least in the 78.6, which we're not even close to. So we need to keep those factors in mind and not get too excited about overall recovery of the entire market. So as far as Solana is concerned, I do want to see Solana get back above this level of resistance. That would be something definitely nice to see. But keeping the overall market sentiment right now, I would not be surprised if we do start heading below back to these yearly lows, or even lower than that if the price of BTC retraces, which we could see happen before the end of the year or Q1 of next year. If we go on staking rewards, so you guys can see Solana is still the top fourth most staked asset in the crypto space, and that speaks a lot of volume, and that shows that a lot of people still have a lot of hope in this project and believe in it, and it's just how the team will overcome this. And I do strongly believe that this team is going to overcome it. A lot of great projects go through a lot of uncertainty. It's never going to be just perfection up. Look at Matic, one of the top projects right now, absolutely killing it. And even Solana is making massive moves within the overall ecosystem, partnering with some of the biggest names in the world, some of the biggest companies. So that just goes to show if they continue building, continue innovating, they are going to rebound. But again, only time is going to tell. But right now, as far as the price is concerned, we do need to see the price go above this level of resistance for us to really get excited. But that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are, where you could see the price of Sol go at the end of 2023, and what is your overall take on the overall FTX collapse that we have seen, and how do you think it could impact Solana's overall reputation in the future. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.